What if one of India's most loved hatchbacks returned with a modern design, advanced features, and incredible fuel efficiency? Today, we're talking about the new Maruti Suzuki Zen, and everything fans are hoping to see if this legendary car makes a comeback. Let's get started. Design. The new Maruti Suzuki Zen is expected to retain its compact, city-friendly size while adopting a fresh and premium look. A redesigned front grille, sleek LED headlamps, sporty alloy wheels, and stylish rear lighting could give it a modern identity, while preserving the charm that made the original Zen so popular. Interior and features. Inside, the cabin is expected to be more spacious and feature-rich. A touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, a digital instrument cluster, automatic climate control, steering-mounted controls, and improved seat comfort could make the new Zen an attractive option for urban buyers. Engine and performance. If launched, the Zen could be powered by Maruti Suzuki's reliable and fuel-efficient petrol engine, paired with both manual and automatic transmission options. Smooth performance, low maintenance costs, and excellent mileage would likely remain some of its biggest strengths. Safety. Modern safety standards would be a priority, with features such as multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, reverse parking sensors, and a rear-view camera expected to be part of the package depending on the variant. Expected price and launch. While Maruti Suzuki has not officially announced the return of the Zen, industry speculation suggests that if it is revived, it could be priced competitively in the affordable hatchback segment, making it a strong rival to other compact city cars. Conclusion. The Maruti Suzuki Zen holds a special place in the hearts of Indian car enthusiasts. If the company decides to bring it back with modern styling, updated technology, and excellent fuel efficiency, it could once again become a favorite among first-time buyers and families alike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more updates on the latest cars and automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.